In this video, I'm going to try to cover everything there is to know about the looper. So the looper is this button right here, and see that hit the corner of the button there, I get a kick sound, snare sound. If I hold that kick button and I turn the knob, I can change what the kick sound is. And another thing that's kind of neat is when I play the snare, so you can see what the snare sound is. It's the second snare sound. There, I can go like there, change the snare sound. So there, go like that. Another thing you can do is here is if I hold the loop, if I hold this loop corner and I turn the knob, I can adjust the drum level. So I'm going to set it right around there. There we go. I'm going to pick a different kick sound. I mean, oops, that's the level. Kick sound is here. I'm going to change the snare sound to this one. There we go. I'm going to delete that stuff. Okay, so if I push the loop button here like this, that's arms the loop. Now I can play a drum pattern. There, now we got a drum pattern. If I push that loop corner again, I will be overdubbing, but I will be overdubbing. Actually, I'll be actually recording an audio loop. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. If I push the tap button, because when you have a loop and you can't tap a new tempo, the loop, it sets the tempo. It actually figures out what the tempo is from the loop, and that's the tempo. I can't tap in a new tempo. So we figured, well, the tap button's not doing anything. Let's use the tap button to be able to stop the loop. So I start the loop here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Stop the loop from that. So there's actually two loops in this thing. There's the drum loop, and then there's an audio loop. So I've got this, I'm going to overdub again. And so when yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just did a terrible job of overdubbing. 2, 3, 4. Overdubbing a hi-hat. So if I do anything on the kick snare, and actually when you're recording a loop, the headphone button becomes the hi-hat. So then when I do anything on that, it's actually recording the drum loop, and then the audio loop can be multiple lengths of the drum loop. So here's a few other things. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay, so you're able to delete individual parts of the drums by holding the set button while pressing kick, snare, or hi-hat. And then I can overdub those parameters again. So here we go. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 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 Yeah. I can also erase the audio loop by holding the set button and then pushing the loop button. 1, 2, there. Now I can start again. So that's cool. What else is there? Oh yes, another important thing is the drums can either be quantized. If I hold the set button and then push tap, you'll see how the display changes. The last one that I left it on was quantized, and that's not quantized. So I double press and hold the loop corner, it erases the loop. So I'm going to record a drum pattern when it's quantized. And I'm going to overdub some hi-hat. 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 Sorry, I guess I had it on not quantized, because now it's on quantized, because I can hear that that's not quantized. So we're going to do that again. So this is a drum pattern record, not quantized. Let's do it again with it quantized. There. That's better. Yeah, I think that might be everything that I need to tell you about the looper. Yep, I think so.